On the NCB lens once again on Bollywood bigwigs in connection to the drug link case. Actor Arjun Rampal's Bandra house has now been raided today by the NCB sleuths. This comes after the NCB arrested South African national and in fact who is also Arjun Rampal's girlfriend, partner's brother, Ajay Sialos, earlier this month. In fact, Ajay Sialos is a brother of Rampal's girlfriend, Gabriela. Two other places in Mumbai's Khar and Andheri were also raided. The NCB detained a driver working for Rampal who is being questioned currently. NCB officials had also earlier said that Ajay Sialos had links with drug cartels operating in Southeast Asia and Africa and could be involved in smuggling synthetic drugs from India to countries in the said region. The probe agency also conducted raids in Mumbai's Khar and Andheri areas. The Bureau's report, the probe there, which has started earlier this year, during investigations into actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death in June, found all these links. As the anti-drugs agency widened its probe, Bollywood A-listers like Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor, Rakul Preet Singh were also questioned. Cutting across to Pankaj Upadhyay, joining us live. Pankaj, here the Bollywood drug nexus only intensifies further with now Bollywood bigwigs being pulled in. Arjun Rampal's house has been raided after Feroz Nadiadwala. Take us through the details on what did they find in Arjun Rampal's house and what next for him. Is an arrest imminent?
So the latest is that the Narcotics Control Bureau's team has left Arjun Rampal's Bandra residence. The search operations, the raids had started at around 7 a.m. and after more than 7 hours of search at around 2:30, the Narcotics Control Bureau official left his Bandra residence. Interestingly, they have gotten hold of many bags. There was one blue color suitcase that the officials took with them, and there were at least 3 to 4 small bags that they took possession of. Now, we do not know as to what evidence have they managed to find at the residence. Of course, right now, we do know that the Narcotics Control Bureau is interrogating the driver of this Bollywood actor. And what information does the NCB officials have right now, or what have they been able to collect from the residence? There is nothing on record as of now, but it clearly seems that trouble is now mounting for this Bollywood actor. And the NCB sources have been saying that Arjun Rampal's name forms a part of the list of more than 20 to 25 Bollywood ace actors who are under the scanner and the radar of the Narcotics Control Bureau for quite some time now. And the NCB officials say off record that the process of gathering evidence has been continuing for a very, very long time, and this has not been a sudden move. But how we saw yesterday and day before that, the NCB officials conducted search operations in various parts, in various suburban parts of Mumbai, which included Andheri, Oshiwara, Malad, Khar and Kharghar in Navi Mumbai as well. And after that, a number of arrests were made. And it was during those arrests the name of the Bollywood producer Feroz Nadiadwala had also come out. So yet again, the Narcotics Control Bureau is in full activity. But the important issue right now, Arjun Rampal, the search operations at his Bandra residence have come to an end. The officials have left with a lot of possessions, which includes 3 to 4 small bags and 1 big suitcase. And official word is yet awaited as to what evidence have they been able to collect from his residence, whether at all they have been able to find some drugs from his place or not.
Right, it's absolutely shocking. You're saying that there's some suitcases that were also retrieved from Arjun Rampal's home. This wasn't a surprise, wasn't it, Pankaj? We remember since his partner there, who Arjun Rampal's partner's brother has been caught in this. He's been arrested. He's been there's a lot that they found out of him. Considering that, it was inevitable that Arjun Rampal will also be probed. But do stay with us. A big breaking news coming in. Arjun summoned. Arjun Rampal there asked to appear on November 11th by the NCB in Mumbai. Here's reports coming in. Arjun Rampal has been summoned by the NCB. Remember, right this morning, raids were conducted at his home. There were NCB sleuths who raided Arjun Rampal's house, and right after now, information coming in that Arjun Rampal has been summoned by the NCB. He's been asked to appear before the NCB at right in the morning, November 11th. That's the date. He has been asked to come in. In fact, in 2 days' time, Arjun Rampal will have to appear before the NCB sleuths. Remember, this is Arjun Rampal's house that was raided right this morning. NCB sleuths have raided. They could have found some material, according to our reporter Pankaj. And here he's been asked to appear on the 11th of November. Arjun Rampal in 2 days' time will have to face the NCB sleuths. Remember, Arjun Rampal's partner, Gabriella, you see in the pictures there, her brother has been arrested by the NCB sleuths after they've established links of him with several peddlers, and accusation is that he has been supplying drugs in and out of the country to several other countries as well. That's a small glimpse of what the NCB has given out. But apart from that, Arjun Rampal now also in the dock after his partner's brother has been arrested. Arjun Rampal's house now has been raided right this morning. NCB sleuths rushed to Arjun Rampal's house this morning. They've raided his residence. Now Arjun Rampal has been summoned to appear before the NCB sleuths on November 11th. In 2 days' time, he will have to appear before the NCB sleuths. Remember, Arjun Rampal, one of the top actors in Bollywood. He's made his name, quite a reputed actor there. He's been working for at least 2 decades within the Bollywood film industry. But here, reports recently suggesting that he could be indulging in narcotics. And here, his partner's brother has been arrested for some serious allegations there. Now, Arjun Rampal's house also has been raided, and he's been summoned on the 11th of November. Divyesh joining us for more details. Divyesh, Arjun Rampal now to be appearing before the NCB sleuths in 2 days' time. November 11th is the time given for him. But take us through, was Arjun Rampal there at his residence when the NCB sleuths raided his house? Was he present at the house? Did they find anything? And now we understand that he's got to appear before the NCB on the 11th of November.
Nabila, as per sources, Arjun Rampal was not present at his Bandra residence when NCB officials conducted this raid this morning. It went on till late afternoon, and just a while ago, NCB officials have left from Arjun Rampal's residence. They have seized a few tablets from his residence. These are electronic tablets that belong to Rampal that have been seized for digital analysis, while summons have been issued to Arjun Rampal, and he's been asked to join investigation by the November 11th at the NCB office in Mumbai. Meanwhile, his driver has been detained and is being grilled right now by NCB officials. Our sources from NCB have told us that acting on a specific tip-off, these raids were conducted other than Arjun Rampal's residence. A place in Khar and another place in Andheri was also searched upon by NCB officials this morning. Earlier, Firoz Nadiadwala's residence was searched yesterday, and his wife Shabana Saeed was arrested as 10 grams of marijuana was found at Firoz Nadiadwala's residence. Firoz Nadiadwala is present at the NCB right now. He's being grilled by the Zonal Director of Narcotics Control Bureau, Samir Wankhede, and his team members. Rampal's residence has been searched. A team of NCB officials has just left after seizing a few electronic gadgets and few other items from the residence of Arjun Rampal. Arjun Rampal's driver is being interrogated right now. He's being questioned right now.
Let's see what happens next. Arjun Rampal now to be appearing before the NCB sleuths on the 11th of November. In 2 days' time, he's got to face the NCB sleuths for questioning. Thank you very much, Divyesh, for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.